The main goal of this video is to improve performance of your operating system, so you will not see any changes externally, but the speed of your PC will increase more than twice before. Let's begin. The first tip: open the power plan settings. As default, it will be in balanced, which will consume less power and will give less performance. Set it to high performance, which will increase the performance of your PC and will consume more power at the same time. Now moving on. The second tip. For Windows to be fast, we must optimize its drive. Skip this step if you are using an SSD. Search for defragment and optimize drives and open it. Click on Optimize. It may take time, so let me fast forward. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Give a like to this video if you find it helpful. Now moving on to tip number 3. Press Ctrl and R. And now type %temp%. Delete all files in this folder. They are useless. Don't forget to empty the recycle bin. Now moving on to tip number 4. Search for services and open it. Now search for Windows Update. As default, it will be in automatic. Set it to manual. Now moving on to tip number 5. Right-click on this PC, open Properties. Now open Advanced System Settings. For best performance, select the third option and click Apply. If you want good looking, select the second option and click Apply. Select according to your personal preference. Now moving on to tip number 6. Open Control Panel. Uninstall all the unwanted programs from your PC. This too is left to your personal preference. Let me uninstall Audacity City, which I don't use. Please share our channel as much as possible. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, my friend. I will see you in the next one.